Hello everyone, myself Rohit Chopra. I am an MTech student in EC department at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I am here to present my work titled Hardware Implementation Analysis of Mesh Schedulers for Wireless Networks. Today, wireless networks have potential to support different kind of applications like online gaming, live video streaming, V2X messages, etc. So, apart from obvious throughput requirements, many of these applications require strict delay constraints like online gaming require packet delay budget of 50 milliseconds. So these QoS requirements are important factor for performance evaluation or designing a network to support wide number of applications. MAC layer is one of the most important part of modern wireless technologies and is responsible for radio resource allocation. A smallest radio resource in LTE is called resource block, which comprises of 12 subcarriers and 7 symbols. QoS performance of a user depends heavily on the scheduling of these radio resources. For example, a user with tight delay budget should be given priority in radio resource allocation. In my work, I have implemented a delay sensitive proportional phase scheduler, an exponential delay sensitive proportional phase scheduler, which are based on LWDF scheduling rule. They take in consideration actual delay, delay budget, short-term throughput for their scheduling metric. And I have compared their performance with popular scheduling algorithms like proportional phase. So in addition to implementing DSPF scheduler, I have also implemented a HL estimation algorithms which using buffer status reports from UE mirrors the packet queues at UE in eNode B, and HL is estimated from that virtual packet queues. And to compare the performance of DSPF scheduler using estimated HL, I have used another scheduler called Load Sensitive Proportional Phase Scheduler LSPF, which is based on LWWF scheduling rule. Now let's see the hardware setup. The figure on the current slide gives the block diagram of LT hardware setup used for implementation and analysis of scheduler. The network core is connected to the PDN, which is ISC WAN WLAN network through packet gateway. The network core is connected to eNode B through Ethernet interface. Mac Scheduler is implemented in the eNode B. eNode B is connected to radio remote head using CPRI cables, and the user equipment is connected to radio resource head using wireless channels. Now there is a pictorial representation of all the equipment involved. It shows RRH, 3 eNode Bs, EMS and EPC servers, 1 LTE dongle, and ODU units. Now, now come to experiments. First, we analyze the performance of DSPF scheduler in downlink stream. There are 3 UEs having equal throughput and equivalent challenge conditions. Each UE represents a flow having different QoS requirement of packet delay budget. UE09 and UE02 represent flow having relaxed delay budget requirement, and UE14 represent a, a flow having tight delay budget requirement. The CDF plot for end-to-end packet delay experienced by UE are plotted, and through plot it is clearly seen that proportional phase scheduler performs equally for all 3 UEs. But DSPF scheduler and exponential DSPF scheduler performs efficiently for UE having tight delay budget, which we can see in the CDF plot of UE14. Now come to uplink hardware experiments. There are 2 UEs having input throughput as shown in the figure and equivalent challenge conditions. Each UE represents a flow having different QoS requirement of packet delay budget. UE9 has delay budget of 100 millisecond and UE2 has delay budget of 20 millisecond. Now the CDF plots for the end-to-end packet delay clearly shows that LSPF scheduler is biased for the UE09 having high data rate, as we can see from plot of UE09, and LSPF And DSPF scheduler using estimated HOL values performs better for UE having tight delay budget, which is UE2. So major takeaways from my work is modern wireless technologies support variety of applications that might require scheduling algorithms which are sensitive to QoS requirements like delay constraint. It is shown in real life scenarios that delay sensitive schedulers like DSPF scheduler and exponential DSPF scheduler perform significantly better than popular scheduling algorithms for applications requiring tight delay budget. Moreover, to implement these delay sensitive scheduler in uplink, HOL estimation can be an important tool as compared to load information which is already available in the MAC layer for uplink scheduling. Thank you.